Kamusta ang naging PBA debut ng dalawang bagong import ng both teams? Sa possession pa lang ng Meralco, pinakita agad ni Patrick Gardner yung kanyang outside shooting and hits a 3-point shot. It's a rough start naman para kay Macolo. Iba yung looks na meron siya dito unlike nung nasa SMB. They don't have the gravity na katulad kay Junmar. Pero he will get his first points sa transition as a tropang 5G. Though ang maganda kay Macolo, hindi lahat ng possessions is sa kanya. He is letting the ball move hanggang mapunta din naman sa ibang local scorer ng team. Oftana hits the 3-point shot. Tsaka he is not isolating too much in the start playing the PNR game as the roller and one opportunity para kay C-Mac. Welcome back sa PBA. Maraming nagmamahal sa kanyang fans na kahit sa ibang team na ngayon, same pa rin yung tingin sa kanya. But the turnovers of TNT will hurt them. Expected to kasi yung familiarity magiging issue talaga. Kasi ang tagal nilang binild yung kay Bolbol. Tas going for sa kanilang former rival. For Meralco kasi parang hindi naman nagpalit talaga Same lang din ang ginagawa. Mas fluid lang tong bago. At saka mas mataas yung basketball IQ. Tsaka nag-iba yung approach ng Meralco. Kayo ba naman tinalo ng walang import? Babawi talaga kayo. It was a neck-and-neck first half. Chris Macolo will slam this one down over Gardner. Pero on the other hand, babawi din naman si Patrick with his own version of a 2 points na basic basketball. Sobrang dikit ng laban and magkakaalaman to sa final period kung ano yung magiging mali. Sa final period, ito na yung magiging complications. Quinto is posting up and nakatayo lang si C-Mac. Tas nung nabigay kay Moco, no challenge at all, 2 points para sa Meralco. Ang masakit pa dito, 2 beses tong ginawa ng Meralco and C-Mac, ganun pa rin yung approach niya sa defense. Another puntos para kay Mocon sa ilalim. Grabe yung ball effect, no? Iba na yung tingin ng Bolts sa paint ngayon. The next, Gardner will hit a 3-point shot para mas lumobo pa yung lamang ng Meralco Bolts. Tas again, paint touch na naman for Bolts. Tas sila na tuloy yung may advantage sa paint Gardner, another puntos para sa Meralco. And wala namang problema sa offense ni Macolo, he will deliver pa rin naman. Pero eto na naman, Banchero is not afraid to drive 2 points. Pero nung na-fouled out ang import ng Meralco, chance na to ng TNT. Pugoy hits a big time 3-point shot. Pero with a 3-point lead, hindi niya na-survey ng maayos kung merong trail sa kanyang attack. Turnover. It's been the story for TNT. 26 turnover points for Meralco and only 10 para sa TNT. And para sa Dagger, Brickman with nowhere to go. Pero gumalaw ka lang, makikita ka niyan Cancino takes a 4-point shot. Pasok! Tabla na ang series. Takeaways natin, especially for both imports, for Patrick Gardner, he's really okay. Ayun nga, parang ganun pa rin naman. Pero mas mataas yung basketball IQ. Mas ramdam mo sa loob ng floor. Will take good shots. Pero hindi natin masasabi kung what if si Bolbol yung nandyan. Kasi yun yung question natin sa defense ng C-Mac. The paint was trouble for them. He's not altering shots. Nakahanap tuloy ng butas yung Bolts. Again, sa offense walang problema. C-Mac just need to show yung effort on the defensive end. Though si Bol, sabihin natin, nakatayo lang naman din, diba? Pero iba yung intimidation factor, yung difference. Tas yung turnovers na lang din ng TNT. I think they're okay kasi fixable naman yung mga holes. Tabla na rin yung series na to. And good morning!